welcome to yet another edition of Kasuku Live. Lero Monday. Lero Monday katumanyi tukola chap. Tukuwa agakagwawo oba agatambula oba agaliwo. Police efulumiza omwogezi wa police Fred Nanga mu weekly press briefing yaabwe bategeeza nti pressure bamuyina era n'emisango gye bagenda omuggulako ne bajogera bagambye bali ku CID ekibuli tebajogedde naye bagambye ali ku CID ekibuli. They are seeing which cases they are going to prefer on him. Atamanyi ku CID ekibuli abantu ba complaininga ne bamukwata ne bamuteekayo, of course gakulemeddwa mu full figure n'abalala. Kati ekibuli abeera ino recording a statement n'obujulizi bw'abano we bayina ne bakola fayiro ne bagiweereze wa DPP. Kati DPP ye n'agiyitamu n'alaba oba pressure ayina omusango oba tayina. Baba ayina emisango ng'obujulizi obuliwo bumwetaagisa okwewozaako nga DPP atubuulira misango ki gye bagenda okuba nti bamukola ki nti bamuteekako. Njagala kusooka kuwa ka video ako nga Fred Nanga ayogera, and then betuvaayo ngenda kusomera statement Buganda Kingdom gyefulumizza olunaku olwaleero. Ebya pressure byo birabika okuba birungi si birungi. Katusooke tufune ka video kano tukomewo.
Uganda and also Uganda Kingdom. You're aware our crime intelligence task teams carried out this arrest on the 17th of February, where one Musana Ibrahim, aged 27, a resident of Kabuga in Mukono, and also a resident of Chira Road, was picked following a series of reported hate crimes, acts of incitement to violence, defamation of the Kabaka of Uganda, the Katikiro, and a lot of offensive communication through various digital platforms on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. And so the suspect was handed over to the Directorate of CID in Chibuli, who are now processing him on these various charges of misuse of social media, hate speech, malicious information under the Computer Misuse Act and incitement to violence. We are actually transcribing over 50 videos of anti-Kabaka sentiments that are vulgar, abusive, hostile, and defamatory. Why we are transcribing them is for evidential purposes. We're aware that a large section of the people of Uganda and well-wishers are not happy with such negative statements, ugly speech that is so embarrassing and highly disrespectful of the Kabaka of Uganda, the particular Uganda, and the Uganda Kingdom. We are all aware that devotion of the Kabaka of Uganda has long been the pillar of the Uganda Kingdom, and, which must be preserved at all costs. As a country, we have very strict rules against acts of incitement to violence, hate speech, and all other forms of offensive communication. We therefore cannot and will not tolerate violence incited and motivated by hate speech due to the devastation and unrest it can cause in our communities. Therefore, as the joint
Katuanjulire Fresh Chat bakufulu mukola ebyokunywa ebya buli kika omuli juice n'ebika bya juice byonna bye wali owuliddeko kyayo wa buli kika ku mikolo basala fruits ez'omulembe ate nga nnyonjo bakola juice alimu simoko bakola ekifaananyi ky'omugole mu bibala ekitaabangawo abalala kye batasobola bakola ku buli kika kya mukolo omuli introduction okwanjula embaga baby shower birthday okukyala okubatiza bakola ne delivery bw'oba weetaaze bakola ice cream owa buli kika strawberry vanilla, banana. Bafune ku Instagram ku Fresh Chat at 4, ku Facebook Fresh Chat. Ku simu 0707 nyanya 770 oba 0782 555 582. And Fresh Chat, fresh at its best.
Yes, ka video okalabye. Now Buganda Kingdom efulumize ebbaluwa olunaku olwaleero. Later head eriko Obwakabaka bwa Buganda, Kingdom of Buganda, date ya leero 19/2024. Press release reference eri hate speech and misuse of social media by Musana Ibrahim alias Pressure at Pressure 24/7. Earlier this week, the Kingdom of Uganda noted with great concern the frivolous, demeaning, malicious. Buganda Kingdom oluzungu ngalungi. Mu Luganda bino bibayita ebisoko. Frivolous, demeaning, malicious and unfounded publications and information against His Majesty the Kabaka of Buganda and a number of dignitaries in the country, including the Katikiro, making rounds across social media, notably TikTok, posted and shared under username at Pressure _24/7. On the 13th of February 2024, the Kingdom of Uganda formally filed a complaint at CID headquarters. Ekitegeeza Buganda yo yali yaloopa dda, yaloopa nga 13 n'eteekayo complaint ekibuli. Reporting to the CID director inter alia the ongoing misuse of social media, malicious information and hate speech against the Kabaka of Buganda, the Katikiro, and the people who religiously pay allegiance to the Kabaka of Buganda. A copy is attached. All concerned security agencies, including police and crime intelligence, started conducting investigations into the matter and have since, through joint efforts, arrested the individual, Musana Ibrahim, appearing in all malicious media clips that are making rounds on social media on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, etc. We wish to categorically state that the complaint and efforts to bring the offender to book were initiated by the Kingdom. Wanate babadde nga abakuba complainant waffe bagaye nti be ba initiate nga teri mulala bo bennyini. And we profoundly thank all other concerned Ugandans who later on joined the pursuit of Musana Ibrahim, who is now in the custody of security personnel. Ekitegeeza abadde baga nti Buganda terina kyekozeewo. Buganda yo tekuba nduulu, eri action oriented, ekukwatiramu action. We have over time observed an increase of fake and misleading publications and misinformation circulated by a number of social media users that ridicule and offend our cultural values and norms, and preach hostility, tribalism, racism and hate speech, something that is not only morally wrong but also actionable at law, and it can also disturb the peace and good order in the society. As evidenced in this matter at hand, the populace and all masses that pay allegiance to the Kabaka should continue acting with vigilance and condemn such impunity with the contempt it deserves, as it undermines not only the Kabaka but the institution of Kabakaship and subjects and citizens who exercise that constitutional cultural rights and paying allegiance to the Kabaka. The Kingdom of Uganda has a team and structures that are ready and willing to religiously defend the Kabakaship and Semasonga #1 of the Kingdom. The Kingdom of Uganda greatly appreciates all the security agencies and the public for the prudent and timeous action taken and for showing their concern and love for the Kabaka and our highly valued and respected cultural norms, values and practices. Ssaabasajja Kabaka awangaale. Israel Kaziwe Kitooke, minisita w'amawulire, okukunga abantu era omwogezi w'obwakabaka. Kati awo muganda wange pressure. I don't have much to say. All I can say is welcome to yet another edition of Feeling the Heat. Akaliro genda kawulira pressure. Boba bye wayogera, you can't quantify. Mubere bulungi mweraba. Ndi wano ninze full figure. Ekiro yajja naye awanda muliro. Ate agambye junior yaddako. Oba junior wange anaafaanana atya ku CID. Nze sikyadda ku CID kujjayo bantu. Era nja kuba amawulire nga baweera wano. Tovaawo. Peace yo.